Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's tutorial we are going to learn how you can make thousands of NFTs in Photoshop by using all the free available content on the internet. You can get it from Freepik or any other similar website that are available if you are familiar with that. So how you can do it, I am going to explain that everything to you step by step. So you will be learning how to create first your NFT. You can see the preview. This is all messed up. I will be simplifying this in upcoming video, and then in the upcoming part actually, and then I will be telling you how to use the code. You don't have to have any coding knowledge or anything. Just plug and play. So how you can do it without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so here you can see this is all the things that I have downloaded. Alright, so this I have downloaded the football and all kind of ball, like you can see here. So this is I have used to make the base, and then top of it this is the background. This all these links will be provided to you. Alright, so what you can do, like I'm going to tell you from the very first thing how you are going to start and what all you can do. Alright, so how you can do it, first of all I will open my Photoshop and I will create a canvas. Actually you can create by 1080 by 1080, and you can keep this size same. Alright, this you can go ahead with any square size. It should be above 500 pixels. Alright, I am going ahead with this size. You can choose whatever size you are comfortable with. Alright, so there is no like it just should be good enough to be visible. Alright, so let's hit the create. Okay, now what I will do, I am going to simply drag one of my background. So I will simply have to locate in my drive, and I will have to import in my PSD. Alright, so this is the thing, and this is my base. And make sure guys, everything should be properly layered, right? So whatever you are going to create, it should be in a way like 1 2 3 4 5. You need to know which will be the thing which on the base, and on about that what will come on about that layer, what will appear. All right, so I'm going to explain you. You want, you can rename it. If you want, you can leave it as is. All right, and call it BG or background. All right, so I will create my all the folders. I'm going to create it base. Okay, above BG, this is my base, and then I am going to call this expression. Right, and now I am going to make another folder which will be crown. Right, and now I am going to one more folder which will be accessories. Right, so we are going to bring each and everything. I will create just one character, and then rest you can do on your own. So let me, now that we have BG, I am going to import my this base. So this is the thing, I have already downloaded it, downloaded and opened it in my what do you say, Illustrator. All right, and you can see this is open. So here this is, so I have edited it, like I have deleted the ball thing, the thing which is giving its effect of this making different kind of balls. So I have deleted all those things. Now that this is all gradient sphere. All right, so I am going to bring in any of them you can bring. I am going to choose this one. All right, and I will copy. You can just simply hit Control C. You can go edit and copy, and then simply you can Control V. You can do Control V, or you can go to edit and paste. All right, it will be like this. So enlarge it. My size is 563, or it should be yeah, 552 looks cool. All right, now again I am going back to my Freepik. These are the backgrounds that I have used. All right, I will provide all the links that you want. And crown, I think crown was this. All right, so I am going for expression. So this is the expression, all right. So this expression I downloaded here, but this was somehow getting lost because my background is somehow darker, all right. It's looking fine, but it's, I will put it inside expression ka folder and I will put this in base ka folder. So make sure your files are placed in proper manner. BG should go inside BG and your expression should go inside base, and then expressions are here. You can see expression should go in expressions, and then crown, and then accessories. These are the accessories that I will bring in, all right. So as you can see, this is the, I will double click on this layer and I will put on drop shadow. You can see the settings that I am following, all right. This is looking okay, but I was not satisfied, all right. Then I found this asset. This is also free. You can get it downloaded from free pick, all right. So what you can do, you can simply copy any of the asset you want, and just copy same way and then paste it here, all right. So just, and because I am not happy with the way it is appearing, I am somehow not happy. I will adjust a bit and I will delete bottom part. Again I will go to layer properties and I will drop shadow. This looks fine to me, all right. So now that I have downloaded my crowns as well, so I will simply copy one of the crown and then I will paste it here, all right. And you can see, just you have to fix it. It should look natural that it is getting fixed. So with NFTs guys, you just have to go crazy with your thinking or with your art, whatever thing that you can add. It just can't be perfect. You will have to add a few elements that makes it unique, all right. So that is how an NFT becomes unique, and that is how it get that's how it get attracted. It attract people, right? So this is how you can see, and this is already looking nice to me. But what else we can do? Like expression we have added BG, and then we have added base. Here you can see, all right. And here you can see there are two things coming. So yes, you can see my crown is here inside expression ka folder. I will simply drag and drop on crown ka folder. So you can see this is inside crown folder, and now I am left with accessories. Accessories I will bring in because I wanted this to give a sort of royal look. So I will simply copy and I will paste it here, and you can see, see, I can a bit enlarge it, right? And just drag it inside accessories folder. Here is one, a few more, and I will simply copy this and I will paste it here. Cool. So now the question is how you can, like, with the current available assets, how many NFTs will be created inside Photoshop. So suppose you have five BZs, 5 base, 5 expression, 5 crown, and 5 accessories. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will have to multiply 5 by 5 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So this is what, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just I have multiplied 5 by 5 times, and these many assets you will get. All right. So, and now what I will do, I will simply, you can see I have one BZ and I have one base, and then I have one expression, and then one crown, and I have 2 accessories, right? So I will simply bring it here. So do I need to drop shadow for this as well? Let's see if this looks cool. No, I think this is looking cool, right? So you can keep it like this on also, and then comes the magic part, guys. You will have to go to this website. I will provide the link, and then you will have to go to code and then download zip. The code you will get downloaded, and this will be a zip file. You will get a folder like this once you unzip it, and inside there will be multiple files. You just need this one. How you can use this? First, we are going to save this file on my desktop. Right, and on desktop I'm going to name is NFT test. Right, and you can give it any name you want. And now what I will do, I will simply go to file and go to script, and I will go to browse. I will go to desktop, and then I will have to locate to the file I was referring. So this is the file load. So it is telling you, like, with the current available things you can only create 2 combinations. Do you like to continue? Would you like to continue? Yes. And then give it a location, like I don't know where my file got saved. Right, I have saved it. Let me check what just happened. So why my file is not visible on desktop? Oh, my bad. I should have saved it in a folder. My mistake. I will save it again. Go to desktop and first create a folder, new NFT test. Okay, and inside that this file name is correct. Now save it, and now we will launch our script. Go to file and go to script and browse, and this file is already located. You just have to open your folder, that folder you downloaded from git hub, and then this file load. Now the message coming same, like only 2 combinations can be created with the current available assets. Press yes, and then give it a location where you want to save all your NFTs. Select folder. Yes, no. So let's see if it is done. See. So although it has told that I will get 2 files, let's run it one more time, and this time we will say it yes. NFT test, select folder, yes. So let's see. Okay, so it is creating BZs also. So I got this one file. I don't know why, because my file, I think this file got like this, right? So let's run it one more time and see what is happening. So what we will do, guys, I have created this file already with me. Like I have 5 JPEGs, 5 base, and then 5 expressions, and then 5 crowns. Everything I have designed in a manner it should look cool. Alright, if you want to see just one, I will have to go to base, and I will just turn off all the things. Alright, and then expression I will just keep one, any random one. And yeah, see, so this is how it is looking to me, and I was pretty much happy with the result. So let's run it one time. Okay, so go to file and go to script and go to browse, and what I will do, I will simply on the test folder I will simply load all the files. Oh, it's asking for the script, my bad. Go to browse and go to this script, and it will simply, what you need to do is, because I just turned on my all the bases, so I will have to bring them back, and you can see everything is there, and everything is on. Now again go to file, script, browse, and then load. So it is telling me with the current available assets you can only create 1500 combinations. Would you like to continue? Yes. And then I will go to desktop, NFT test, select folder. So would you like to include PhD documents? No. So it will take its time and it will create all the files that I needed. It will take a while. I will crop this part, or I will speed this up. Okay, so let's go back to that folder. You can see all the files are being created, like all the variations, with some may be having those accessories, some may not be having those accessories, right? So you can see this is having this thing. Oh, I think this is the older one. So it will take its time, guys, and it will create all 1500 NFTs that I given the command, because I will have to wait. I will have to be patient because it's taking, or automatically everything is happening in front of you and live. So this is how you can create. This is how you can go crazy with all sorts of free elements, free content on the available on the internet. Even if you don't have a creative background, you just have to first draw something on paper or somewhere, and then see what you can create out of it, right? And then find those kind of content from the internet, and then you can create it. So guys, all I wanted to say is, just don't stop yourself by to launch your own NFT. Launch your NFT, let people know what you can do. Maybe you can sell them heavily, as you know, this is trending these days, and you can make huge profit out of it if this gets sold, right? So if you like my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. This is it for in this tutorial. Thank you so much.